Hey y'all, it's been a while since I've posted anything. I figure it was about time. This is a pretty freaking new one, so I'm still pretty rusty. Just bear with me. It was my first date with a brand new guy. Said he'd be there at 8, pulled up at damn near 9, and I smiled, 'cause I knew immediately that he could be the one for me. He drove in from out of town, said, "I don't know where to go, you'll have to show me around." I took one look at his jacked up Ford, grabbed the keys out of his hand, and I took off for the truck I ran. He strode over to me like, "Sweet thing, what the hell?" And I said, "Baby, let me drive just a one time, and I'm sure I'll stay on your mind. I'm a little bit heavy on the gas pedal, a little bit late where the brakes are concerned, but I promise that we'll make it there just fine. Won't you let me drive?" A few months later, still going strong, thinking it's about time to take him home, 'cause I think I love him and he needs to meet my daddy. We weren't a mile down the interstate before he started getting frustrated, cussing like a sailor and beating on the dash. I didn't know what else to say, so I just laughed. "Baby, let me drive, it'll be alright. I'm sure we can still make it right on time. I know these roads like the back of my hand. I promise I'll be easy on the brakes, I swear. Just crank up the radio and enjoy the ride. Come on, let me drive. Baby, let me drive just a one time, and I'm sure I'll stay on your mind. I'm a little bit heavy on the gas pedal, a little bit late where the brakes are concerned, but I promise that we'll make it there just fine. Yeah, I know you love checking me out from the passenger side, so baby, let me drive."